This is a hit recap. This is on a box of Flawless Basketball 2013-14. This box number 16. Done as a hit draft. Thanks everybody for joining. Working in reverse order from the 10th pick down to 1. Here's what we had. Rick Barry, number to 15, autograph. This one wouldn't quite fit in the mag, so top loaded it. The 9 pick, not bad. Super Signatures John Wall to 25. 8 pick, we had J.R. Smith, patch auto, numbered to 10. Next up, we had Dominique Wilkins, patch auto, 3 color, numbered to 25. And James Worthy, 3 color patch to 25 for the Lakers. That went at number 6. 5th pick, number to 5, we had Serge Ibaka, 2 of 5. Nice patch there. Emerald short print, 2 of 5. 4, we had Blake Griffin, number to 10, 3 of 10, Blake Griffin auto. At 3, rookie diamond, Anthony Bennett. 2, we had a Dwayne Wade Ruby, numbered 11 of 15. And our number 1 pick in that box was franchise greats Kobe Bryant, numbered 8 of 10, old jersey number Kobe. 8 of 10, nice one there. That does it. That was the box recap. Thanks everybody that joined. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.